Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to create a sale by weight item in FoodZaps. Normally used for the seafood. When you weigh, then you can get the price and create and link with your stock. Thank you.
Okay, first go to the e-menu and then go to the more. So you create a price list first. So you click add and name it as 100 gram for example. Then you click OK and click OK. Now you create the item. Let's say I'm selling a fish. So I select the category as a pasta first. Okay, so you turn on it as the open item, you turn it on, and then you go to the price. So you choose from the price, you choose as 100 gram. So for example, if you 1 kg is selling 12 ringgit, so 100 gram should be 1 ringgit and 20 cents, right? And then you go to the prepare. So for the weight conversion, you put 100 and click save and exit. Then if you're taking order from the fish, click fish. So you need to key in the by weight in gram. Let's say order 800 gram. So I click OK. So total is 9 ringgit and 60 cents. So what if your order is 1.2 kg? So it's 1002 grams and click yes. So automatically it will convert for you. Its total price is 14 ringgit and 40 cents. Okay, if you want to create a stock, so go to the inventory. So you click plus, you create a stock name as fish. Then for the UOM, which is the unit of measurement, you put gram. Then you put 1 kg equal to 1000 gram and click save. So let's say you create some stock for it. So I click add. So let's say today we have 1.2 kg. You either can key in here or you can add it in a gram also. After that you click save. So now your stock you have 120 grams, which is 1.2 kg. So you need to link your selling item with the inventory fish. So go to the e-menu, go to the fish just now, go to the price, go to inventory. So you link with the fish. Okay, you click 1. That's all. Then you click save and save and exit. So let's say for example, you're selling the fish is 800 grams. So you click it here, you put 800 grams. Okay, click OK and you paid. So in your stock, you deduct 800 grams, which is you have 400 grams. So you click here, it shows the details, which is which transaction has been out for 800 grams and in for 1.2 kg. So you click on the sales, it shows how many has been consumed. That's all for today. Thank you.